Happy fall, y'all. It's officially October 1st. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It is officially October 1st, so we're actually a few days into fall, but I've been into all of the cozy fall vibes lately. I've even been in like the baking spirit. I made some banana bread last night. It came out so delicious. And you guys saw this morning, I was just chilling, enjoying the cozy fall vibes. It is kind of like gloomy outside, which I'd be living for those cozy vibes if I was staying home today, but we got a lot of fall festivities to do. Well, I wouldn't say festivities, but some things. So first things first, I'm gonna get my hair done, make it more fall-esque. I'm gonna darken it a little bit, pretty much keep it my same color, just warm it up a little bit. So I'm getting ready for that. Then after that, Bath & Body Works is having their sale on their candles, so I want to pick up a couple of those. And there was something else that fall-esque that I wanted to do. Oh, I kind of want to do like a fall favorites maybe, so we'll see. I finally switched out all of my fall wardrobe. So I took out all my summer stuff and put all of my fall and winter stuff out, grabbed all my boots, and I was able to color coordinate this so that I could be more inspired this season. I also brought some stuff to Plato's Closet, and I need to donate the rest of that today. But yeah, I highly recommend going through your closet each season. It helps you remember what you have and then be able to better wear your wardrobe throughout the season. All right, I'm gonna start doing my makeup. This e.l.f. Bite Size Quad in Pumpkin Pie is tea. They're only $3 and you can create the most stunning looks with them. I did one yesterday for a TikTok and I was obsessed with how it came out, and I literally only used like the colors in the palette and nothing else. They blend out so nice. It's truly the perfect fall palette. I need to do a fall fragrance haul because I purchased a bunch, but this one I've been obsessed with. I mentioned it in a previous vlog, and it's the Repica Jazz Club scent. It smells so good and cozy. And yesterday I went to Ulta and I was smelling God, it was like a new Valentino one. It was the Oma Born in Roma scent. I wanted to get it, and then I realized it was a men's cologne, but it still smelled so good, so I might actually go back and get it. It just smelled way too good to pass up. I wanted to make sure I had some makeup on because there's nothing worse than getting your hair done and then like you look like a thumb already because your hair is wet. So far this is my outfit. Super simple, but I'm gonna put a raincoat over top because it's raining out. These boots are from H&M last year. I think they still carry them. I wanted to treat myself to a fall bag, and I found this one on the Real. It's vintage. It's just so pretty, and I can't wait to style it with a bunch of cute fall outfits. Actually in love with it. I love the hardware. I typically would have preferred gold. My outfit tones are all over the place, but it'll have to work. All right, let's go. This box of makeup for my sister-in-law to go through because I've been in like an extreme declutter mood of just like wanting to organize my space and get rid of a bunch of stuff, whether that's clothing, whether it's makeup that I know I will never get the chance to go through. So let me know if you guys are interested in more giveaways. I did a giveaway last time mainly on my Instagram and TikTok, but if you guys want a giveaway specific for YouTube, I could put one of those together as well because oh, that dog looks just like Choka. I miss him so much. Oh, Choka Loca. But anyways, yeah, so if you guys want more giveaways, because in the meantime I'm just giving, like last time I went to Florida, I put together like a bag full of makeup for my mom and sister and I had them go through that, and then when I notice it starts to pile up, my sister-in-law's into makeup, so I give her stuff, but also she can only go through so much makeup too. I guess I could also donate, so should probably look into doing that. You can definitely see that the leaves are starting to change colors.
You're gonna cut me as much as possible,
yeah.
Okay? Oh my god, yeah, the dimension on the bottom.
Wow. Wow. As you guys saw, I just left the hair salon and I am obsessed is an understatement for this hair. Like, are you joking? My sister-in-law is just a hair genius. Like, I didn't even go in with the expectation of loving this change this much, and I'm obsessed. So cozy, perfect for fall. This hair just fits this outfit perfect too. I went in with the intention of dyeing my whole head of hair just completely dark all over because I wanted to cover my grays. I did have some dimension, which I liked, but I couldn't really keep the dimension because of my grays. So Janessa mentioned like bringing the permanent color mostly down and then just like glossing the end so that I still had some dimension. And I'm so glad that she thought of that and that I did that because I'm obsessed. Like I thought that I was gonna have to lose my dimension just to cover my grays, but she just did such an amazing job. So I definitely book with her if you're in the area. I'll leave all of her information below. Now let's go to the mall and get some fall candles. Okay, so we just left the mall. Did some damage. I got my candles, which I'll show you guys which ones I got when we get home. And then I got something from Hollister of all places. Surprisingly, they actually have like really cute clothes as of lately. My lipstick is like all over the place. I still need to donate this stuff. I'm so hungry though. I need some food and some coffee. It is Christmas. I want to show you guys what I got. Merry Christmas to me. Look at how phenomenal this piece of pumpkin bread looks. Oh my gosh. I'm about to dig in and then we're doing a haul. There's a cat that's always in my yard. So I purposely left out like a lawn chair in the middle of the yard so that she can lay on it. Because one time I caught her just sitting in a lawn chair that I had accidentally left out. So I was like, let me just start intentionally leaving this chair out so she can just chill out and be comfortable. Every time I come home, she's either in the lawn chair or on our back deck. Oh my gosh. So I come home, she's on the back deck, leaves because she sees me coming. I have to like pause to let her leave because if I start walking toward her, she starts freaking out. And she's literally been living in my yard for the past 2 years and has yet to let me touch her, has yet to let me claim her as my own. And it's so heartbreaking because she's so pretty. And I just want her to let me pet her. I've tried to leave food out for her too. It's a whole thing. All right, let's get into this haul. I need to hurry up because I have plans at 5 o'clock and it's 4 o'clock. Anyways, I've been switching up my wardrobe a ton for fall. So I can't wait to share with you guys more pieces as they come in. Right now, I just have a couple pieces. And then, like I said, I want to do like a full fall, kind of like wardrobe switch out haul. I've been trying to get good quality pieces and I have some gems that I'm like very excited to share with you guys. So, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. This is from Target. And I got a new hair tool. Here she is in all her glory. I got another Hot Tools Gold Series curling iron, but this time I got a 1.5 inch because I wanted to use this to touch up my blowout to give it more volume instead of curl. I find that my curling irons are a little bit too small, so it ends up just like giving me a curled look. Perfect. Oh yeah. That's gonna be nice. And they're relatively affordable for being good hair products. It was, I think, $40. Hope that these look just as good on. Oh, they are beautiful. I got a pair of boots. I literally ordered, I think like 5 pair of boots within the last week. The other 4 are coming in a separate order. These I was so excited about because I had been looking for a pair of boots like this everywhere, but I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg, and Target came through. This is them. Ooh, they look a little bit big though. What the heck? They're a size 7.5. I thought I selected a size 7. Okay, so this is them. They are stunning. Look at that color. The heel looks like it's gonna be so comfortable. I love the pointed toe. The only thing is that they accidentally sent me a 7.5, and I could have swore I ordered a 7. Like I would have never ordered a 7.5 because Target shoes already run pretty big that I wouldn't order a size up. So not sure what that's about. Then from Hollister, I just got a sweater that I had been looking for. It's a really pretty royal blue mock neck sweater. Kind of has a little bit of a balloon sleeve, slightly cropped, but I got mine in a size medium, so it does come down pretty far. Again, it's like that chunkier knitted material, but it's not too thick or heavy of a sweater, so if you live in a warmer environment, you could definitely still get away with wearing this sweater because it's not going to be super heavy. I fell in love with a sweater this color from Free People about a month ago, and I had been on the hunt for like a gorgeous royal blue knit sweater, but I didn't want to spend $150 on a royal blue sweater just because I feel like that color, it's pretty, but it could just be I don't see myself wearing that color all the time, you know what I mean? Spending a crazy amount of money on a color that's like not super versatile. And this is perfect. It was $39, so like not the cheapest, but it fit really nice. It feels nice. Then from Bath & Body Works, I got 4 candles. So first off, I got my tried and true, which that is bothering me. Why is this sticker on there crooked? Is that just me? No, it looks crooked. Anyways, I got the mahogany teakwood candle. This is like my favorite scent in the entire world. I typically like to wait to light this till closer to Christmas time, just because, I don't know, it's like more of a Christmassy scent to me. If you've never smelt this, it smells like a men's cologne. It is my all-time favorite candle scent ever. Then I got another favorite. I got Marshmallow Fireside. This is tea. When you light these together, your house will smell incredible. Marshmallow Fireside smells like Marshmallow Fireside. It's a very sweet, warm, and it has like a hint of like a fresh woody scent. So like the sweetness of this lit with the cologne-y scent of this just makes your house smell so good. This is my all-time favorite combination ever. I have found similar dupes for that combination at like Target, but the originals, nothing can ever fully replace it. And then as far as my fall candles go, got one of my favorites, White Pumpkin. This is like a more fresh, it has like a warm spicy cinnamon in it, but it's still sweet and cozy. It says it's white pumpkin, caramel glaze, and ground spices. Love this scent so much. And it kind of reminds me of when I first moved into this house, because I remember buying that candle when Alex and I had first moved in. Then this is another candle that I got when we first moved in, and so I just had to have it again. Ooh, I love the packaging on this one. So I got Harvest Gathering, which is, I would say, like a more fresh scent. Yeah, it has like more of like a fresh, I can't really describe the scent though. We had no other decorations, but I remember buying Bath & Body Works candles as like our first decorations, and I just had like one decoration on our mantle here with no other furniture, nothing else. Just a good Bath & Body Works candle to make ourselves feel at home. So I like to light Harvest Gathering and White Pumpkin together, because this is a little bit more sweet, this is a little bit more of a fresh scent, and they balance each other out. I love mixing and layering candles. The same way I like to mix and layer like lotions and perfume, I feel the same way about candles. Something about layering different scents just like really does it for me. So I got some chrome nail powder from Amazon. I was watching Tony's of Dallas recent Amazon favorites video. This is supposed to be very similar to the Hailey Bieber one, to give you those glazed donut nails. I do have a couple other products that give me that effect-ish, but these powders from the reviews, from her video, like it just looked very promising. So I can't wait to do my nails and try this out. It comes in a set of 4 of them. And yeah, I can't wait to play with these. Basically just like do your base coat and you just apply the powder on with one of these little like sponge tip applicators. You use that to put the product on your nail, and then you put a top coat. I'm excited to share with you guys more of the fall stuff that I picked up as they come in. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more fall content. I got some fashion videos and all that coming your way. I think for now I'm going to wrap it up, because like I said, I do have plans that I should technically be leaving the house right now to go to. Okay, perfect. They're running late too. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.